Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, we are going to be sewing, but before we get started, I do want to give a special shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you do not know, Ana Luisa is a clean and earth-friendly jewelry brand. If you like more everyday, minimalistic, kind of what I have on here, jewelry pieces, then you are going to love this brand. I've been wearing them for a couple years now, and I'll be honest, I'm really impressed by the quality. These hoops that I have on are my everyday hoops. I wear them literally every day, sleep in them, shower in them, work out in them, and I'm really surprised at how they've held up. And I've had these for at least a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. So I really am impressed again by the quality. Another thing that I love is the packaging that their jewelry comes in. These little packages right here are so great. I think that they are fantastic for traveling. So after you take your jewelry out, you can always keep these and reuse these again. Just pop your jewelry back in them if you do a lot of traveling, or just to keep them safe. If you want to take a look at the things that Ana Luisa offer, I do have a link down in the description box. You can click that link and browse their full collection. They have necklaces, rings, bracelets, earrings. They have all types of jewelry. So you can head on over there, and not only can you browse the collection, you can also read more about the company. They share more about their partners. That way you know exactly how the jewelry is being made, how it's being tested, and how the designs do come to life, which I really do enjoy that they offer that information on the website. That way you can really feel confident when you are shopping from them. They have jewelry pieces starting as low as $39. So definitely head on over now. They're currently having their Mother's Day sale. So this is a great time to get some gifts. If not for yourself, then for your mother or just for a loved one in your life, this is a perfect time to shop. So again, definitely check out that link in the description and go ahead and browse their collection. Since Mother's Day is approaching, I do want to make something for myself. I know I sew for myself all the time, but the only time I actually sew for a specific event is for the Marine Corps birthday ball. But for like my birthday, I don't make like a birthday dress, or for our anniversary, I don't make an anniversary dress. So I said this year I'm going to make myself a Mother's Day dress. Last year I made my mom a dress, so I am going to make myself a dress this year, and I'm going to be using my pattern Know Me 2040. I already have a full step-by-step sew along for this video, so if you want to watch that, you can definitely click here and watch that video. But this is going to be more of a watch me sew. You may see the children running around. I'm going to be in full mom mode today sewing, so I'm really excited for this video. I'm excited to be a little bit intentional and make myself a nice dress. So let's go ahead and get started sewing. 7 hours later, and I have not been able to start sewing. I had all these plans to start sewing my dress today, but right after I said, let's start sewing, I started to cook breakfast. Next thing I know, I had to make a run out to the dollar store. I came back. Then it was time to go to our son's soccer game. So we all went to that, came back. What did I do? Oh, I started washing Jakeem's hair. I started washing Josh's hair. I just got done with Josh's hair, and it's 5 o'clock. So I'm actually gonna pre-wash some fabric. So I was doing too much anyway. My fabric's not even prepped. I was deciding between these two. They're both Rayons. This one here was from Melanated Fabrics, and this one here I found at Hobby Lobby. So I was still trying to decide which one of these I wanted to go with, but I can go ahead and pre-wash the fabric today, and then maybe tomorrow I'll be able to start actually sewing. Again, I'm sewing my pattern ME2040. So that's that. Let's try again tomorrow because it's 5 o'clock and now it's time to start dinner. And Jerome's going to put some food on the grill, so I'm not even going to force it. Let me just enjoy my Saturday with family, and then yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll be able to come in here and get some sewing done. So just want to do a quick update. I'll be back. All right, y'all, today is Sunday and I'm getting ready to start sewing my dress. This morning, I went ahead and pre-washed my fabric, dried it. I gave it a good press before I cut out my pattern pieces, transferred my markings. I have my interfacing cut out here. And so now I'm ready to start constructing. I'm going to go ahead and fuse my interfacing on, do my darts. I'm going to work a little bit out of order for this dress, and instead of putting my zipper on the side seam, I'm just going to put it in the center back. I don't really have anything else left to do today. Jerome cooked out last night, so we have leftovers for dinner. And what time is it? Let me see. It's 3 o'clock. I do need to edit another video, but other than that, I can honestly sew, I won't say the rest of the day, but I can definitely get in more than my usual 30-45 minutes of sewing. So I'm excited about that. Like I said, it is 3:13. So we'll see, how much progress I get made, but I'm excited to sew and just work through this project for my Mother's Day dress. So let's get to it. Okay, I decided to do something a little bit different for the straps. I cut out 4 so that I could tie them up here along the shoulder instead of just cutting out 2. So I use this same pattern piece here. This pattern piece is for view A, I do believe. Yes, view A shoulder strap. I added 4 inches to the bottom end over here. I kept the same point kind of, triangle situation here. And that's all I did. I just cut 4 instead of 2. And then I added 4 inches just to, add a little bit more. I don't know how long these straps are going to be. They're probably going to be too long. The 4 inches is probably a lot, but yeah, they're definitely going to be long. They're going to be long straps just dangling here on my shoulder. But anywho, I just wanted to share that with you all. So we'll see how this looks. And if it's too long, then I'll let you all know. But as of right now, I just added 4 inches to it. So I'm going to go ahead and baste these on, and then it'll be time to start working on the skirt. Install the pockets, install the zipper, and we're done. After we hem. Let's do it. All right, y'all, it is 7:02 and the dress is 98% finished. The only thing I need to do is hand sew the lining closed along the inside, but everything else is complete. I've already hemmed it. The ties are installed, top stitching, zippers in, pockets are in. So again, I just need to do the slip stitch to tack down the lining on the inside, and we're all done. I do wish I had like more of like a purple or pink floral fabric in my stash, but this is all I had in the palm tree fabric. That was enough yardage. And I want to use the fabric that I have. I don't have a big stash of fabric, but I have fabrics that I can use. So really happy that I was able to use this fabric here that was in my stash. So I'll probably do the hand stitching tomorrow. I'm done for the day. Like, I don't sew this long anymore. I used to a lot, but I like to sew, take breaks, take care of other things. But today worked out. I didn't really have anything else. I didn't have anything else to do, honestly. So today worked out. Today was one of those days where I could come in here and just sew for a few hours. So I'm really happy that I have my dress complete. And what am I gonna do? I'm done. I'm leaving out of here. I'm gonna go sit, eat some leftovers, relax. I'll do the hand sewing tomorrow, and I will come back and I'll just show you all the finished dress. Bye. Well, that is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. Remember to check the description box and head on over to Ana Luisa. You can browse their full collection and read more about their brand and shop their sale that they are currently having. If you have any questions, leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.